Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the name of your Roblox group. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Unfortunately, there is no official way of simply changing your group name on Roblox. They don't exactly make it clear when you are creating the group. Since you have to spend Robux to create a group, I feel they should either let you know you can't change the name later, or just let you change it in the settings. There is a possible workaround to changing your group name, and this is it. You can try sending an email to info@roblox.com and asking them to allow you to change the name. This doesn't always work, but it's more likely to work if your group's name contains the real name of you or one of your friends, because for privacy reasons you'd be allowed to change it. Be sure to mention your Roblox username and group name in the email. Once you send it, it can take a few days for them to get back to you, but they will let you know whether they will allow you to change the group name or not. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Roblox tips and tricks.